What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be doing an oil change on this 1999 Honda Civic. As you can see, we already have stuff in place like the oil, tools, rag. We have a scissors jack there. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to dive right into the video, so stay tuned. Scissors jack, I do not recommend anyone to use this when doing an oil change. I don't have any other jack, so I have to work with this one, you know. But if you're using it to like change your tires, that's fine. But if you're going to use this jack to do an oil change, you're going underneath the car, I do not recommend it. It's best for you to get a trolley jack. So before we start jacking up, this is the rear wheel. We're going to ensure that the rear wheel is secure, even though the emergency brake is already up. But before we jack it up, or before we lift the car, we're going to ensure that we put something behind this wheel, okay? Guys, I finished get the car off. As you can see, wheel off ground, and I use these block for cement and this piece of stick, this piece of thing here. I don't really know what is this. I use this for support. As I said, I not comfortable with using a scissors jack to go under the vehicle, but if it's to change your wheel, you can use it. Please check out my video of me spraying this rim. I will place the link in the description below. As you can see, this was a said, please secure wheels, ensure that the wheels are secure properly, you know. This is a rear wheel. Alright guys, I'm going to go underneath the car now to drain the oil. For my car, I need a 17 socket with a ratchet angle. Oh, I don't have an oil pan, so I just improvise and I get a bottle and just cut it. So I'm going to work with this. Alright guys, I get to crack it some. Yes, close by. Here comes nothing. Oh. Yes guys, so the oil is draining. As you can see, my hands are a bit oily, so I cannot touch the phone, but it is full enough as you can see. I hope I don't need any other pan. I think this can work. I don't think it's going to fall right up. Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to pull the cover, the oil cover, so that the remainder can drain out, and then I'll pull the oil filter. Alright, bear in mind guys, ensure that you always change this. I don't have a new one at this moment because this is a very old car, you know, so things like this are very hard to get. But if you're doing it on your newer vehicle, please bear in mind to change this. This prevent oil leak. Oh, and this right here is a magnet. This helps to catch any chippings in the oil. Yes guys, so this is actually the oil sump plug. So this is a bolt that I just pulled to drain out the oil. You know, this is very important, you know, so I ensure that I clean it up before I put it back. Alright guys, so before you put on the genuine oil filter, the first thing you want to do is to get some oil. First thing you want to do is get some oil to lubricate the oil filter before putting it on back. So I'm just going to put some oil on it. Yeah, just pour a little in it just to get it lubricated, and just to lubricate the seal right here. So I'm going to screw it on back now. Okay, so I finally take out the oil, so from underneath the car. So as you can see, this oil is very black. Yeah, the viscosity of it has gotten very thin. As you can see, this is 2050 oil. This should be thicker, you know, so this is not good for the engine. So please bear in mind to always service on time so that your car engine can operate properly. So this has cut down to about 1030, because normally 2050 would be thicker. Alright guys, so bear that in mind. Alright, finally catch. Getting back the oil filter on. New one. Alright guys, so finally get the oil filter back on. So I'm going to screw on back the oil sump plug. Yeah, that's the original name for it. Oil sump plug. Yeah, remember guys, please subscribe. Job does fix it. Alright guys, you see it? Magnet work very fine. I cannot stay with the phone because I'm holding it. Wipe it off back. I don't want any dirt or debris off the crankcase to get on it. So Alright, I think this is tightened. Alright guys, so I'm finally finished with replacing the oil filter, draining the oil and putting on back the oil sump plug. So I'm going to pour in the oil now. So I'm going to use this oil. I heard that this oil is very good. You know, I mostly use this oil. I mostly use Valvoline, but I'll be working with this oil today. You know, I heard that this is very good, and I'm using 2050. If you have a newer car, maybe you would use a thinner viscosity oil. You know, you can always check your owner's manual, you know, or ask a professional mechanic what oil to use. You know, for me, this car is an older car. It has a high mileage, so I have to go with a 2050 oil. All right, so the viscosity of the oil is very, very important. So as I said, you can always check your owner's manual or link a professional mechanic. Alright guys, so this is the 4th quart, so I'm going to check the oil. Alright guys, so the oil is at the right level, but the car haven't started as yet. So I'm going to start the car, let the oil circulate for about 10 seconds, then I will check it back again to make sure that it's at the right level, or if it want more. Alright guys, remember guys, please like, share and subscribe. You know, share it with somebody. Alright guys, so I did turn on the car, let the oil circle. As I said, I put in 4 quarts. So I am going to check now to see at what level the oil is. Alright, let's wipe it up. Alright guys, this need just a little bit more. It's below the mark. This is a mark. It's below the mark. It's right here. So I'm going to put a little bit more in it. Alright, so I think that is good. I'm going to check again to make sure. Okay, this is okay. Alright, the oil level is okay. It's at the right spot. Alright guys, please like, share and subscribe, share with a friend. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Stay tuned in the next video.